what we can expect for the rest of the day when that sun comes up.
Well, not much improvement. We're going to be stuck with overcast skies throughout the day today, so kind of a dreary, gloomy Thursday. But we do get back to some sunshine tomorrow and a brief warm-up back into the 50s tomorrow afternoon. Think about that as you head out in this chilly rain this morning from our North Scituate camera. You can see the raindrops on the camera lens. And the view in Newport is a gloomy one. Three key things. Well, we've got a dreary day today. Temperature swings follow with the highs only in the lower 40s today. Mild 50s on Friday, then a chilly weekend ahead. And it does look like a storm-free weekend for us, and we'll be talking in more detail about that. Out the door this morning, we're mostly above freezing. There's still just been a few spots that have been hovering around 32 or 33 degrees in Smithfield. You're one of those spots. So if you're headed out early, watch for just some very isolated icy patches. As I mentioned earlier, that winter weather advisory was canceled. The main batch of rain showers is going to quickly dissipate as we move through the morning hours. We'll just be left with some drizzle and some mist. 34 degrees for your temperature heading into work this morning. As we move through the afternoon, this area of low pressure will be passing to our south. Wanted to show you the big picture because there is another system that follows right on its heels. So we'll keep showers in the forecast for tonight and the early part of Friday. Here's that low pressure center by 8 o'clock this morning. Again, gradually moving east. As it does, our wind direction going to be coming in right off that chilly Atlantic Ocean out of the east-northeast. And so that's going to keep the damp air locked in for us. 10 o'clock tonight, you can see some showers off to the west of us as a warm front approaches. So those will try to pass through overnight, and we wake up tomorrow morning to pretty much where we are in the afternoon hours today, or even a little bit warmer. The temperatures will be on the rise through the night and early tomorrow. And as that cold front approaches, one more batch of showers in the midday hours. This is at noon, pressing south and east with that cold front clearing behind it, and in comes that chilly air that'll be in place for the weekend. So this is 3 o'clock this afternoon. Notice those temperatures between 35 and 40. It's a chilly and damp day here in New England. And then tomorrow we briefly in southeastern New England tap into that milder air. Notice we're in the 50s, but that cooler air right off to the west of us, and that'll flow in on Friday evening and Friday night. So for this afternoon, I want to have a coat that's probably waterproof as you deal with some drizzle and some mist off and on throughout the afternoon. Temperatures in the lower 40s, which is slightly above normal, about 41 in Johnston and East Providence with some fog and some mist. Gray, damp and cool in Seekonk, Fall River, New Bedford. Those east-northeast winds staying at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And the risk of showers continues during the evening. Notice again how we're right around the upper 30s to near 40 during the evening and the early part of the night. And then as we move later into the night, the temperatures start to warm. So we'll be seeing those highs on Friday climbing up into the middle 50s, 48 degrees for your high on Friday at 5 o'clock, and then those temperatures over the weekend looking chilly, about 33 degrees for your high on Saturday. Wind gusts to 40 miles per hour. We actually have to issue a wind advisory for a brief amount of time on Saturday. We'll keep you updated on that, but the result of those windy conditions will be wind chills that'll be running in the teens most of the day. On Sunday afternoon, a cold start, but a milder finish to the day with some increasing clouds. Some of our computer models are bringing a snow shower through Sunday night. Monday looks dry, but then Tuesday into Wednesday, watching a storm system that could bring snow and rain into our area. We'll keep you updated.